Are you in need of a packaging solution? Look no further. Our innovative print and box solution allows you to handle your packaging needs in-house with our OKI Pro9542 printer. This printer enables you to print on dark materials, adding a luxurious touch to your light luxury packaging. This custom printing solution is perfect for enhancing your brand's image. In just a few simple steps, you can bring your packaging designs to life. The OKI Pro9542's high resolution of 1200 by 1200 dpi can effortlessly produce stunning white plus CMYK or varnish effects by printing black on black while accommodating thicknesses of up to 360 GSM. From retail to manufacturing, the OKI Pro9542 series is the perfect solution for personalized and light luxury packaging. With the use of pre-cut sheets and high-quality resolution, you will make your mark and elevate your brand in the market. With our print and box IT application, the packaging process is uniquely distinct. With us, you're always a step ahead.